Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions, and I'm with Isabelle Dervaux.
Right.
And you're in New York City.
I live in New York City. I just moved to Jackson Heights, Queens.
Okay, but you're originally from France.
I was born near Belgium, but in France, yes.
Okay, great. And what's an issue that brings your clients to you? Why do they come to you as a photo manager?
For some reason, moms call me and they have too many photos and they don't have the time to actually work with their photos. And really what they want to do is a book of the first years of the children. Mm-hmm. So they have an iPhone, they have a computer, and then they're not quite understanding, they don't have a system. So I really teach them and I work with them to get the best photos so they can make that album.
Mm-hmm. Oh, great. And what's an interesting client project that you've been working on this past year?
So, my project involved teaching, or sometimes if the people I'm working with, they don't want to do it, I work and we work together and I do the work. But what excites me is when someone learns and figure it out that they could actually do it mm-hmm. faster with a method, and then they will be able to do it in the time they have. So they mm-hmm. understand what to do and how to get to where they want to go faster. Yeah. So, and then hopefully get the book that they want about their kids. Yes.
Yeah, mm-hmm. Yeah, because if you just leave things on your phone, that's not really engaging with them, and the kids don't engage with them because they're on their parents' phone.
Right. Well, I think deep down they want an album, or actually this client I was working with, they have actually an aura frame. I just discovered them, and then they communicate like this with their parents, because most grandparents are asking, can I see photos? Can I see photos? But yes. If you don't have a system to send them regularly, the photo don't go to the grandparents. Right. And really that they live to see their yes. kids, in the frame.
Well, so. My mother loves seeing pictures of her great-grandchildren.
Great kids.
Yes.
That's amazing. So you probably set that up for her, right?
Yes, mm-hmm. so that her granddaughters can send her pictures to her frame, digital frame, mm-hmm. and she loves it because otherwise, even though they live close by, she doesn't necessarily get to see them that often.
Right. So if you don't get to see your kids, if you live very far, the frames are a great idea.
Yes.
Right? Because they always upload very fast and
mm-hmm.
there's not that much work to do.
No. Mm-hmm. And I love that you're teaching people how to do it for themselves and so that they can maintain.
Right. Because people take pictures every day. Right?
So. Yes. Right. We're going to take 2 trillion this year. That's a lot of pictures.
Are we up to 2 trillion?
Yes, we're up to 2 trillion. Wow. It's crazy. Mm-hmm. So look for us again and with an interview with another photo manager. Until then, have a great day.
Right. Bye.